A very good morning. It is 7:30. It is very early and we are going to hunt for some fish again. We are better prepared and it's early at the day, so the fish will definitely bite today, so we can put them in the barbecue for some lunch. Vamos. You can go first, bro. Oh, it's very steep. Oh. The flip-flop boys made it. Welcome on this new adventure. Oh wow, what a view. What a piece. Fox poop. And a tag with a needle. Easy. Wow. It's so beautiful. The sun is coming through. Ooh. We are at the same hunting spot, but it's much greener. What happened in one day? All this grass. A lot of big fishes. Ooh. Let's hunt for some lunch today. Okay, look, you can see them swimming here perfectly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Steph is going over there with a worm, and I'm going here. You can see the fish is really good. There's one swimming over here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not an expert. And over here was a trout. We are especially hunting for trout. We see quite a few of them and they are kind of active. Oh, whoa. Yeah, I see two over here. Not the trout though. There are two quite big trouts over here. You see them? I will try to catch them. We see quite some trout and also a shoot, but also some kind of salmon, but it's quite hard to catch them, and I'm not sure why, because ChatGPT says we are using the right stuff. But I'm not a fish expert. But I'm walking to the other side of this creek, so because on this side it's quite shallow and on the other side it's deeper, and every time when I throw my fishing rod from the other side, this stuff will go in the dirt and the fish will not chase it. So Steph is on that side, he can say where the fishes are, and I will throw from this side. I hope this will work because we are hungry. The ground here is so freaking soft. I can't walk further than this, so Okay, I'm returning to the other side. You can't really walk here and you don't see the fishes from here. It's not a good place. We just drove 10 minutes to our new fish location. We are here now. We will do somewhere there, I think. I hope there's more fish here. We found a new spot. Look at this. Right on the water. It's a little bit wobbly, but we already saw some fish jumping, so let's catch them. I have the best spot here though. I'm just sitting here, chilling. We found the first fish. It's dead. What is it? Eel or something. Yeah. Stall. We are changing spots because it belonged to a camping or something, so we're walking just a little bit further. Our new spot. Unfortunately, I don't have a seat anymore. We are back at the spot. We didn't catch anything and we were not sent away from people of the hotel, so why not, right? Nee. Hey, first catch of the day. Hey. After 2 days, finally one. Ay. Let's eat it. That's a beautiful one.
Oei, dat is wel goed verwond, man.
You got cut up. We're trying to fish over there. We are going to our next place. Beautiful location. Oh my god, this is the first fish I've ever caught. Literally the first throw. And we got something. Oh shit.
Perch.
A perch?
Ja.
Baars. Of niet?
Perch, baars.
We're gonna eat this. Woo. Lunch, we're hungry. Nice. Sehr schön. Sharp. Beautiful fish. Oh shit. We killed it with this thing. Now we're gonna cut it open.
Hier komt een hele vies gedeelte.
He almost escaped. He's dead, but almost escaped. Okay, we cleaned the fish so we can have some lunch later this day. And I'm going to put the GoPro here because we will catch a lot more, I think. Right, watch this. Another one.
Oh,
Steph got one. A big one. Ooh, you're lucky. Die is wel easy.
Hij echt ook een maagje in, jongen.
We are with 4 people. We're hungry. Dinner time. Today we have free lunch and dinner, maybe.
Maybe.
Ooh,
Sehr
schön, sehr schön. The second one is like literally 2 minutes later. We threw maybe 3 times or so, and we're gonna prepare it right now.
Not for YouTube.
We make sure we kill it very quick, so it rests in peace, you know. And we're gonna eat it, so nothing gets wasted. RIP the little fish. This is it. This is it. I feel it. I can feel it. Yeah, I got one. I told you. Hey.
Probeer hem nu zelf weer te pakken. Lukt dat, denk je? Je hebt hem ook vies gehaald.
Number 3. This one was a little bit small, but I caught 2 today, and Steph also 2. So it's even.
PR.
New PR. Steph got a 3rd fish. This one's very tiny. Ah,
Not worth
poor fish. Yeah, I've got another one. A beautiful one. There's also one really big fish over here somewhere. There are a lot of tiny fishes here, so we're trying to catch here. But if we don't catch something in the next 15 minutes, we will go back to the camping to eat the 2 fishes. Alright, let's get back to the camping and eat the 2 fishes. We're hungry! Let's prepare the fish. Nom 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 nom.
No.
Ooh, it's looking good. Fresh caught fish on the barbecue. It's looking good already. Taste test. It's really good.
Een lekkere witvis.
It's nice.
It's nice.
Nice dessert. Pasta with cheese. Let's do the dishes. Yay. Yay. We watched the end of the movie. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.